Behold! I've journeyed far on a quest to join the Gastronomy Guild, a group dedicated to the art and science of cooking. In this realm of modern contraptions, where is my guide to unlock the secrets of culinary mastery? Hey, Mia vs. Mia. Caught between realms, I see. You're just in time. I'm about to explore the wonders of the air fryer with my chicken nugget. Chicken nuggies, you say? Well, my wise guide, take this scroll to lead us on our journey. Mia, you're in on this too? Alright, onwards to the, kitchen of gastronomical gadgets. Onwards to the chicken nuggies! Let's ready ourselves. We're to master key kitchen devices, the rapid microwave, the patient slow cooker, the mighty pressure cooker, and the cunning air fryer. They hold the secrets to quick, safe, and exceptional cooking. And our quest readies you, fellow adulting apprentice, to craft wholesome, budget-friendly meals amidst life's busy turns, be it college or your first job. Each tool holds properties that aid in preparing quick, delicious meals. Discover which fits your life's journey. With courage and curiosity, we begin! Behold, the rapid microwave. This wondrous device allows us to create warmth and cook food with the speed of lightning. Do you have an idea of how a microwave actually works? It uses microwave radiation, a type of electromagnetic wave, to excite water molecules within food, creating heat. This agitation of water molecules cooks food evenly and quickly, transforming ingredients into a feast fit for a guild member. A word of caution from the safety scroll, though: always use microwave-safe containers and never put metal inside the microwave. What culinary creations do you think you could cook inside its rapid waves? According to legend, one could do a lot more than just reheat leftovers. How about scrambled eggs? A staple for any adult on the go. Crack some eggs, whisk them, add a pinch of salt, and voila, scrambled eggs in under a minute. Broccoli, anyone? Add a bit of water, cover, and microwave for a couple minutes. Perfectly steamed broccoli, quick and healthy. And surprise, dessert! Let's make a quick mug cake. Mix flour, sugar, cocoa, a bit of oil, and milk in a mug. Microwave for about 90 seconds. You have a delicious cake. All of these recipes are in your PDF. I'm envisioning a feast prepared with such efficiency. I must ponder what other dishes I could conjure. Think about how you currently use your microwave. Is it just for popcorn and leftovers? Could you try cooking something new in it? Nice thinking. The microwave is more than just a reheating tool. It's a versatile companion for modern knights who seek speed and convenience in their culinary quests. Huzzah! Onward to our next artifact! Now we explore the patient slow cooker, sometimes called the crock pot. This marvel gently transforms ingredients over numerous hours. It tenderizes meats and melds flavors into rich dishes with ease. The alchemy behind the slow cooker is grounded in the simplicity of science. By maintaining a consistent, low temperature, it allows food to simmer slowly, ensuring that every bite infuses with flavor and tenderness. This method is a stalwart companion for stews, soups, and braises. Safety scroll time. Always defrost meat or poultry before putting it in the slow cooker. Make sure the cooker's not more than 2/3 full. Be careful of the hot sides, and always keep the lid on to retain heat. Let your imagination wander. What dishes do you think would flourish under its patient care? Imagine the possibilities. A hearty beef stew, a vegetarian bean soup, or perhaps a comforting gluten-free rice pudding, all concocted within the slow cooker's enigmatic depths. Consider your own culinary routines. How could the slow cooker transform your meal prep? With power like this, one could prepare dishes ahead of time, with minimal effort. It can cook while you go about your day and will be waiting for you to enjoy a home-cooked meal upon your return. Embrace this opportunity to equip the slow cooker in your cooking arsenal. Whether you're preparing a feast for a guild banquet or a simple meal to sustain you on your quests, this device stands ready to enrich your culinary adventures. Tally-ho! On to our next culinary artifact! Behold, the mighty pressure cooker, modern-day alchemy's marvel. It generally comes in two forms, one you can use on the stove and one that's electric. Both transmute ingredients into succulent meals fast by creating a high-pressure environment with a sealed lid. This raises water's boiling point, cooking food at higher temperatures, speeding the process and infusing flavors deeply. Its versatility really shines, rapidly preparing dishes like Indian dal or barbecue pulled pork. Let's check the safety scroll. Ensure a tight seal and clear valve, avoid overfilling, and heed the manufacturer's instructions to prevent mishaps. I've heard tales that the pressure cooker is a wizard in cooking grains and even desserts like cheesecakes to perfection with little effort. What favorite dishes of yours could be transformed by the pressure cooker? The possibilities are endless, from Mexican beans to Vietnamese pho, all flavored richly in record time. The pressure cooker opens doors to a world of flavors and dishes, making gourmet cooking accessible to all, regardless of time constraints. Speaking of time, make haste onto our final artifact! Let's dive into the air fryer, a culinary game changer that uses hot air for healthier frying. It's also great for baking, roasting, and preparing breakfasts quickly with less oil. A practical solution for healthier cooking. But heed the safety scroll. Position your air fryer on a heat-resistant surface clear of obstructions. Regularly check its basket for grease or debris to avoid fires. And remember, allow it to cool before cleaning. Can you think of a dish that's traditionally fried in oil? How might it turn out in an air fryer? What if we air fried falafel or tempura vegetables? They'd come out crispy without excess oil. Even chicken nuggets get a healthier twist. The air fryer also shines with non-frying tasks, like roasting vegetables or baking muffins, making it a kitchen must-have for fast and delicious meals. Imagine transforming breakfast with no splatter crispy bacon or quick boiled eggs. Who knew such a thing were possible? Consider your breakfast routine. This is often the most important meal of the day. How could an air fryer simplify it or add variety to your morning meal? Scrumptious ideas. I can't wait to try some of them. As we've witnessed, the air fryer is more than just a healthier way to fry. It's multifunctional and suitable for any member of the Gastronomy Guild. At last, we have discovered the secrets of each device and may join the Gastronomy Guild. Huzzah! And so, our journey ends. Having mastered the rapid microwave, patient slow cooker, mighty pressure cooker, and cunning air fryer. Remember, these are all just options for tools you can wield. The true magic lies in your creativity and passion. Use them to make every meal remarkable. To full plates and bold adventures. Keep curious and carry on the Gastronomy Guild's proud tradition. Catch you at our next adulting adventure.
Hey, hey.